Yeah. Reminisce. Reminisce. Yeah. I'm praying for you even if you don't ask, just in case the drink in the dank might be our last. And those times we laugh and smile become a thing of the past. I'd rather smell the flowers now before I'm under the grass. I know we got a habit of holding on to those grudges, emergency brake loving. Some folk just ain't budging for they kinfolk until they ride in that limo. Kinda paraded, you don't wave out the window, that's a sad story. We never dreamed we make it past 40. Now that we pushing 30, living fast just ain't worth it. I'm trying to plant a seed and grow it on the richest surface. Have a child with my queen, the closest thing to being perfect. Perhaps this verse was better suited for a song, but sometimes a hook can water down what's going on, and a freestyle to get the point across before too long. I pray my words chime like church bells when I'm gone. The lifestyle of ripping and running is cool for starters. I'm trying to live for now and still focus on tomorrow. Uplifting times of sorrow even if the time is borrowed, and be the kind of king like my father. All I ever wanted was to make my parents proud. Ever since I left the sip and got my ass up off the couch. The road less traveled, but I wouldn't change the route. I put up with the bullshit to put on for the side. A lesson learned. Cause shit get crazy when you're finally grown. Despite the silent nights, God never left me on my own. Made me strong, now I gotta big up my family, big up my friends. So if these biggest belittle, we'll be bigger than them. I seen it though, clear as day. I get tired of leaving home, sometimes I'd rather stay and kick it to my pops about the biz. Parlay with my brothers and hang out with their kids. I hope they still remember who their uncle really is. I heard they walking 9, no more crawling in the crib. No more drinking bottles cause they asking for a sip. I can't let you. Thinking back when grandma used to give me all those lectures. Now that I'm older, I can see from her perspective that money don't buy love, happiness, or heaven. Blessings. I hope my tone convey that I'm serious and that you feel it. And these my last words, let them be more than lyrics. Crizzle. This is for if you reminisce over me, my God. This is for if you reminisce over me, my God. This is for if you reminisce over me, my God. Crizzle. This is for if you reminisce over me, my God. This is for if you reminisce over me, my God. This is for if you reminisce over me, my God.